Okay, another thing we will see is, remember things like this. X, which could be somebody's name, maybe Savior, is equal to, Savior is, for example, 4 years old, okay, and Yummy is, where is the second equal to sign? Yummy is 2 years. That's a baby. Where is number 2? Where are you? Let's look through it. Oh, yes. Yemi is 2 years. Okay, so we want the car to move forward. We want the car to move forward. The value of X plus Y. Okay, that is it there. Okay, so what do you think the answer is going to be? Okay, so Savior is 4 years. Savior is X. Yummy is 2 years. So we want the car to move X plus Y. Okay, so our answer should be 6. So right now, our car should give us 6 centimeter. Okay, we click on run. Ooh, last.